Hello there guys, it's a beautiful day, beautiful Sunday day, and we just got news by BVE Western Region that they released a new route, the North London line. Without further ado, we're gonna check it out and see how we're gonna download it and install it onto your computer. Also, be sure to check out Romford Transport 296 latest video. He made a full route visual of the Northern Line that we recently discovered. Well, not recently discovered, but recently managed to get back. Just gonna play a short clip here. Again, if you want to check out this video, check out Romford Transport 296's channel. Link will be in the description below. So without further ado, let's type in BVE Western Region. When you want to click on this link here, click on. How you guys doing today? Oh, whoa, he changed his website. Okay, this is new. Wow, this wasn't like this last time I checked it out. Yo, this is actually awesome. They made the whole there he is, the North London now. Look at that. Spot on, spot on, spot on, spot on, spot on, spot on. All right, so what we're gonna do is again, it's gonna be hard to see because the font color is black and but yeah, if you can click routes, if you can see it on your desktop or device that you're using. We're gonna click North London line, and here's the page of the route. So it tells you features about what's going to be in the route, train features, route features, features of the beta, and future plans. And here's some images of the route. As you can see, it looks really splendid. Also got a video here. So what we're going to do, we're going to click download guide, download route, and download train. So this is the guide. Trust me, guys, we all have to read this. We all have to read this. Like, for the Jubilee line, I didn't read the last guide at the start of phase 3. I just went off what I knew from phase 1 and 2, and then I was caught off guard in some parts of the route, so I had to refer back to the manual. Again, this is really important. I mean, I will do a video about the guide in another video. I'm going to cut the video here because you can see it's going to take a while for me to download because I'm a poor internet connection. But once it's finished downloading, I'll get back to it. Alright, so the route has finished downloading, so we're going to extract... Oh, wait, did I forget one more thing? Downloaded the route. Yeah, so the route finished downloading, so we're just going to extract it. So here we are. So North London line beta. To make it easier, we're just going to extract it to our desktop. There you go. While that's extracted, we're going to extract this train as well. Also going to extract that to our desktop. So that's ready for us. Right, so now that that's finished extracting, the folder is going to be called Railway. And here is the Silverlink train as well. So these are our two folders that we're going to focus on. So just to double check, Silverlink Metro, I believe everything is there. Objects, everything's there. And sound, everything's there. Now we're going to check the trains as well. Train, file, everything, location ready. I'm going to open OpenBVE. Now we're going to go back to the desktop. So I'm going to keep clicking back. I went too far back. If you went too far back like me, what you're going to do, you're going to click user. Select the folder that has the user that you're using. So my user is called gamer. Then what we're going to do, we're going to click the desktop folder. Then we're going to look for the file railway that we just extracted right here. We're going to click route, Silverlink Metro, and North London Line beta. If you get this as well, then you just have to do it manually as well. So go back, keep going back, keep going back. I'm going to click your mine just went blank. Your window username. We're gonna click desktop, and then here it is. The train is right here, so don't worry if it doesn't pick up automatically. You just do it manually. I think if it the way it picks up automatically, if you put both of these folders into one folder, but if not, just do it manually. So then we click start. Route's now gonna load up. Just gonna full screen that. But yeah, how you guys doing? I was gonna premiere this video, but I was like, you know what, just do it. Hopefully this video will be cool. And here we are. You have arrived at Richmond. There's the D stuck on our left. Yeah, so we've got the automatic train. So yeah, this is the route. I'm not going to drive because I haven't read the manual, so I don't know what the controls are. But yeah, thank you for watching the video. Hopefully this video has helped you in downloading this route. And if you've got any questions or need any help, just leave them in the comments below. This has been BVE Central. Hope you guys have a nice one and enjoy this latest installment that we've received from BVE Western Region. And shout out to the guys, shout out to BVE Western Region. Shout out to the job that just, man, good people, man. Anyways, enjoy.